In every major project, thousands of technical documents move every single day: incoming documents, distributed files, those under review, and those returned for revision. All must be properly maintained. Without strong document control, the information management expects will never be achieved optimally. To meet these goals, a robust system is essential. Without it, workflows stall, valuable time is lost, and critical management decisions come too late. And now, a breakthrough solution transforms the way we control documents. SEDoCS, Smart Engineering Document Control System. More than just an application, SEDoCS is your intelligent partner that unites all documentation functions into one integrated ecosystem. A system designed to be smart, fast, accurate, and modern. SEDoCS helps you work not just to finish, but to achieve, with speed, precision, and auditability. Because in the professional world, efficiency isn't a choice, it's a necessity. Let's begin with the heart of SEDoCS, the dashboard. This is the central control room where every aspect of your project comes to life in one interactive view. You can see document progress by discipline, actual versus total progress, and dynamic filters that let you monitor any status with complete flexibility. Every color, every number tells a story, from review statuses and document comparisons to S-curve progress charts that show the true rhythm of your project. With the dashboard, you don't just see data. You understand the direction your project is heading. The MDR engineering module delivers full efficiency in managing engineering documents. At the very beginning, a list of all minimum deliverables is generated automatically based on your project setup. This minimizes errors in document numbering or titles, and saves valuable working hours. The RACI matrix intelligently distributes documents to reviewers and approvers according to their discipline and document type, a standard in industries like oil and gas, chemical plants, and other major projects. You can also perform instant searches by review status or latest document position. And when it's time to send transmittals, SEDoCS automatically generates them, no need to retype metadata. With just one click, all information is filled in and ready to send. Before sending, the View Transmittal feature ensures all details are verified. The system even sends automatic email notifications, so documents reach reviewers and approvers quickly and accurately. The email body clearly lists all metadata and attachments, giving complete clarity to everyone involved. With MDR engineering, every process is measurable, transparent, and fully controlled. For vendor documents, SEDoCS brings the same level of flexibility and speed. All minimum deliverables are automatically listed, and the RACI matrix assigns reviewers and approvers intelligently, no repetitive setup needed. Notifications are sent via professional emails, ensuring clear and rapid communication between contractors and vendors. Transmittals are generated instantly with consistent numbering. The View Transmittal feature guarantees accuracy before delivery. With VDR Vendor, communication flows fast, transparent, and seamlessly. Summary progress menu. Every information are generated automatically. No need to open multiple files to monitor project progress. The Summary Progress feature displays real-time updates of all document activities. How many documents have been submitted, returned, or are still under review or approval? Weekly and monthly trends help your team analyze document turnaround speed. Whether performance meets the target or acceleration is needed. All visualized through easy-to-read charts and clear numbers. And when it's time for reporting, one click generates a professional summary progress report instantly. Within Project Reporting menu, the information are generated every week and month. SEDoCS automatically compiles project progress reports regularly. From overall summaries to discipline statistics, and even the S-curve report. All are ready for internal meetings or management updates. Accurate data drives better decisions. Because great decisions begin with reliable information. Correspondence menu. Professional communication are begin. The correspondence module covers all incoming and outgoing letters, minutes of meeting, and requests for information. Each equipped with automatic numbering and status tracking, open, in progress, or closed. Every letter, minutes of meeting, request for information, and record is neatly organized and traceable whenever needed. With SEDoCS, no important information is ever lost. The next feature is Technical Query. Technical queries often define the direction of a project. Through the Technical Query Register, every query is recorded completely. Its number, date, status, and person in charge for each discipline. Quick filters and automatic summaries ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Every issue is identified, monitored, and resolved, on time, every time. The next menu is RACI Matrix. In every successful project, responsibility must be crystal clear. The RACI Matrix gives you total control to define who should review, approve, check, or simply be informed for both engineering and vendor documents. Roles can be updated anytime to match team dynamics. No confusion, no delays. Everyone knows exactly what to do, when to do it, and how it connects to the bigger picture. Because clarity builds confidence, and confidence drives results. Next menu is Update Deliverable List. Consistency is key in document management. By clearly defined about project deliverable list from the beginning, the project achievement will be running smoothly. You can revise deliverables according to contract updates or project requirements, minimizing manual errors and ensuring uniformity across the entire system. One single source of truth, creating thousands of efficiencies in return. Source Data menu. Every project has its own identity. Through Update Source Data, you can customize the essential data that shapes your system, such as disciplines, document types, issued purposes, review statuses, and latest positions. This flexibility keeps SEDoCS adaptive and ready for any project, without rebuilding the system from scratch. Because adaptability is the foundation of modern engineering control. The next menu is Adding Users. Collaboration begins with connection. With Add User, administrators can easily add new members to the system, assigning clear roles and access rights from regular users to project managers. Every role is structured, every access is secure, Because great teamwork starts with a well-organized system. When everyone is connected, productivity flows naturally. Next menu is Change Password. Security is not optional, it's essential. With the Change Password feature, every user can update their credentials anytime, protecting privacy and keeping sensitive project data safe from unauthorized access. Simple, direct, and secure, just the way professional systems should be. Forgot your password? No problem. This SEDoCS application provided Reset Password menu. Admins can perform a reset password in seconds, getting users back into the system without long verification processes. In SEDoCS, convenience and security always go hand in hand. Every great system starts with a solid foundation. The Project Setup feature lets you define all essential project information. From project name, contract number, and location, to client and contractor details, company logos, addresses, letters, minutes of meetings, RFI, and transmittal formats. With a proper setup, your project runs smoothly from day one. Because success begins with well preparation at the first time. SEDoCS is more than a document system. It's a philosophy of work. A belief that working isn't just about finishing, but about achieving speed, precision, and auditability. From speed comes efficiency. From precision comes trust. And from auditability comes professionalism. SEDoCS brings all of these into your hands. From planning to reporting, from a single click to thousands of decisions. It helps your team work smarter, faster, and with true excellence. SEDoCS, smarter, faster, accurate, and modern document control system. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully SEDoCS will be the one of your best choices for maintained document control system in your company.